Leader held for the final transfer spot in the feature. Leader dealing with lap traffic. Short has a run on, held down the front straightaway. They make contact. Big time crash into turn number 1. Play for the race leaders as Steve Short is in danger of going a lap down in the number 8S. 2 laps to go as well. Trouble car bicycling and nearly turning over. It's the number 9 of KCK. White flag, 1 lap to go. Brad Sweet with Carson Macedo right there on the top of the speedway. Sweet in heavy traffic. Gets by Dumpsy. That may seal the deal. Macedo to the inside one last time with a big slide job in 3 and 4 to steal the win in the last corner. Carson Macedo makes the winning move in turn 4 on the final lap. White flag set to wave at Peevely. Brad Sweet trying to make it a moot point as he pulls away. Sweet runs the bottom in 1 and 2. Macedo with run on the top, but not enough, not close enough to try it this time. Brad Sweet wins the Ironman 55. Carson Macedo 2nd, James McFadden 3rd, Donnie Schatz 4th, and Sheldon Hodenshield 19th to 5th.
Your leader Brody Roa. Damon Gardner slips wide. That allows Chase Johnson to get inside him going into 3. Oh, they make contact. They park it. Oh, and Austin Williams with nowhere to go gets collected and turns over in turn number 3, and we go red.
All right, Brody, come on out here real quick. We got some goodies for you here, courtesy of USAC and CRA and all the good sponsors, Hoosier and everybody who joined. There's your medal. Those are always awesome to get, huh? All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Brody Rowe of the 8L.
Side of the back straightway, keep around the 18 of Giovanni Selzy, working that inside line at the exit of turn number 2, goes high side into turns 3 and 4. Oh, hard contact into the wall, look out. 17 of Golovic, catching right side tires. Anderson in the final starting spot as we're set to go to green. Looking for 9 more to move on from the D to the C. Ten laps the distance. Field working around to the front straightaway to the wave of the green flag as we've got them stacked up here on the front straightaway. Oh, my late hit, and it's a big one. Going to move on to the back of the C feature. We're back underway. Oh, boy, stack them up big time. Once again, we've got multiple drivers upside down. It is a scrapyard in turns 1 and 2. As they work to the back straightaway, Reitzel going to gap them as they work into turns 3 and 4. Lap cars to the top. Reitzel has to work to the bottom. Brings it up to the cushion. Off of turn number 4. Checkered flag will fly, and $30,000 is going to Clute, Texas. Aaron Reitzel wins the 360 Knoxville
Kenny Gates
National.
has risen to the 6th spot. Got by Ivan Jocelyn. By A.J. Walters. Kenny Gates to 6th. Now trying to crack the top 5. Randy Kosselman's up in that outside wall. Now he's up and over. Cook to 3rd, now working on Bob Roback for 2nd. Now Roback slow, and we'll pile him up. Walter Cook gets into him. Jonathan Fiegels, Connor Prokop, Nate Bedell, all involved here. 14W Timmy Wilmot is headed to the
spot. Owen to 2nd. Wesson back to 3rd. Flynn in 4th, and he's got trouble in turn 1. They're going to pile into the outside wall. Kopchik, Flynn, Wesson, Ternulo, among others. And now Kopchik climbs out of the car and is going after, oh boy. And Mesha for position number 5. Off of turn number 4, checkered flag is out. Car number 42, Travis Downey takes his 2nd career win.
Oh, trouble out of turn number 4.
One car upside down in a big way, coming to the checkered flag for David Mesha. David Mesha Sr., a wild ride off of turn number 4, coming to the checkered.
Your field. Top 4 cars transfer. We'll also take the top 4 fastest qualified cars who transfer to the redraw, plus all of our heat race winners. Off turn 4, green flag, set to wave. Oh, cars going off the edge. Jody Robinson and Jake Morgan. That one looked like it could have been a whole lot worse. Nonetheless, we go
He's
red.
still underneath. Will he throw with a slide job? Here they come to the white flag. Moran now takes the lead, and they're going to crisscross, make it jump near Finley down to the bottom side. They're going to come down to the checker flag. Finley, oh, he hits the bumps on the bottom. Here they come down for the win, and Devin Moran will take the win. A little surfing. Oh, look out.
We'll lock our next 3 drivers into tonight's A main. Coming at you after just 8 laps. We're underway. Drag race in turn number 1. Silence shows the way from the outside of the front row. We got contact. 1 car up and over. Red flag is out. Linton Jeffrey.
Green is out. Casey Kane leads him into turns 1 and 2. Macri running second. Brian Brown knocking on the door of the top 3. Oh, Brian Brown upside down. Red flag. Ways back to third with Aaron Reitzel. Your leader still Logan Schuhart. Tried the high side, then went through the middle. Oh, he gets on the brakes behind the lap car. Logan Schuhart into the wall. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Come and get it. Checkered flag will wave. Next time by. Shots with a run down the back straightaway. Brad Sweet looking at Aaron Reitzel for third. Off of turn number 4, the Capitani Classic will go to Logan Schuhart.
FK Rodin's replay here on Floracing. And looks like Tasker.
Oh yeah, Tasker got turned around and Kerry was going around the top to miss him.
So both drivers in the frame in both instances, and neither one have anything to do with the other as far as causing.
1 second. Anthony Macri running second. Brian Brown is third. Now Kyle Larson moves by Gio Selzy. He'll get by him for the 4th spot down the back street now, but Gio Selzy says no. He'll look back to the inside of turn 3. Gio Selzy on the bottom, getting by Kyle Larson in turn 4.
Kyle Larson going to turn down the racetrack, trying to get a run here to the front stretch. Does he have it? He does. The JVI group number 57 to short slide the 18.
Down the back straightaway, closing in on Brian Brown. Larson closing the gap. Big move to the inside. Slide job coming across turn 4. He'll get the spot from Brown.
Boy, Kyle Larson dove it in deeper than anybody thought of doing it so far tonight. Now trying to protect the bottom. Brown, he makes contact with the tires. Buried there.
Anthony Macri now using the inside, but Kyle Larson, big run down the back straightaway. Battle for the second spot into turn 3. They're nose to tail.
Boy, Larson all but using the wall now. Going to dive the inside of turns 3 and 4. We saw him pull this move earlier in the race. He's going to make it work once again.
Your race is for the lead.
Macedo about bouncer off of the wall through the middle of turn number 2. Has a run to the back straightaway. Larson looks like he might have a better run. He does. Dives the inside of 3 and 4. The race is on at the front of the field. It's game on. And here comes Macedo back to the top spot.
Carson Macedo takes the lead back, but side by side for the lead. Slide job. Kyle Larson takes the lead. Macedo says no. Yes, he does. He can't get there. Larson uses the lap car down the back straightaway. Carson Macedo still running in the second spot. Can't get there. Larson down to the inside of 3 and 4. This time around, checkered flag will wave. $21,000 goes to Kyle Larson.
This race, the way they start the first 3 rows in our 30-lap Ocean Sprints finale later on. Sanders and Neto, 6 laps the distance. Ricky Sanders gets out to the early lead. However, Neto shot out of a cannon around the outside. Bud Kading is also mashing the throttle as well. Neto around the outside of Sanders. He'll lead lap 1.